Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a Gumroad product to card. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by, from where the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by, where at the left side of the screen we can get started with accessing all the sections we can use for managing our website, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to integrate Gumroad into your websites like Card. So you're going to open up the Help Center article right here, the bottom left part of the screen, and use the search bar to search for this official article on integrating Gumroad into websites. So find this article and open it up. Here we have the step-by-step on how to go and use it. So we are going to be using the overlay. So you're going to go to your accounts widget page. You can just click on this link right here directly from the article to open up the widget page, and then we are going to select modal overlay, where we can change the button text if we wish to, and click copy embed code. So this is going to enable us to choose the product we want to go ahead and use the overlay for. You can change the button text. Here you have a preview on how it looks, the buy on Gumroad button, and after that you can copy and paste this code into your website. So you're going to copy and paste this code directly into your card website, and just like that you're going to be able to embed a button to buy on Gumroad and integrate your product from Gumroad directly to card, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.